Alright, so we're out here shooting. It's like 20 degrees. Tell by the gloves it's cold out here. Doing a little cold weather training. Shooting. Got that Alpha Grease and Alpha CLP on here. Want to see how it does in the cold. We also got the Glock 19, the FNX 45 Tactical, the Glock 21, and 2 other ARs, Adams ARs, out here. We're gonna see they're all lubed up with the Alpha. We're gonna see how everything does. Glock 19 with the Alpha Grease, shooting Federal HST 124 grains. Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on the Alpha Grease and CLP. Just received this and took it out and lubed up a handful of firearms. Took them all out, 20-degree weather, and it performed excellent. The reason I wanted to get it out in the cold was because I've seen it compared a lot to like frog lube in the sense of being all natural and whatnot. And from what I've heard, frog lube tends to gunk up in the cold. So I wanted to take this out in the cold and see how it does. And it performed perfectly. It ran flawlessly. So happy about that. Definitely going to get some more of this in the future. I know these are small containers, but they go a long way, because here, let me open this up here. I only got one hand. Let's see if I can. Alright, I got her opened up. So as you can see here, it is still very full. You can barely tell that I got into it. And I lubed up probably, let's see, we did 3 ARs, a Glock 19, a Glock 21, FNX 45 Tactical, a Glock 17. We did quite a few firearms, so they're small, but they go a long way, and I'm very happy with the product so far. We're gonna get out and obviously keep running it, keep testing it, and see how it does. But so far we love it, and it's a great product. You guys should definitely check it out, and thanks for watching.